What is up, YouTube? In today's video I will be installing the Miata's KBD Body Kit. Yeah. Right now that I've transferred over the bracket on the top bumper and then on the sides, the bumper should be able to go on now. I've already pre-drilled these holes for the fenders that go right there, and that should be it. After removing the back bumper, the finish panel, and the tail lights, this is what it looks like. Alright, I'm done cleaning it, and it actually doesn't look too bad. There's a slight gap back here along the edge, but it should be okay. I did manage to reuse all the factory hardware all along the edge back here. Now thankfully the fitment back here on the passenger side looks pretty good. I'm heating up the turn signal intake and the bumper itself to have a better fitment. Thankfully this method has been working so far, so we'll see how it goes. This is the end of day 2. I managed to get the front and rear bumper on. We'll finish up the side skirts tomorrow when I go pick up a river gun. So much for watching this video. I just finished installing the body kit. This project took me a couple days, but you should be able to do it in one day. Here it is. The car looks really cool now. It makes it look lower, and I would say take your time with it. Don't rush it. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.